Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make doll's hair at home. First, gather your materials. You can use yarn, fabric strips, or even synthetic hair extensions. Make sure you have strong craft glue, sharp scissors, and a needle if you plan to sew. Choosing a soft, pliable material will make the process much easier and give your doll a lovely, natural-looking hairstyle. Let's get started on this fun project. Next, prepare your hair strands. Cut your chosen material into uniform lengths, usually between 8 and 12 inches, depending on your desired hair length. If you're using yarn, gently unravel the strands a bit to give them a fuller, more natural appearance. For fabric, aim for thin strips, about 1/4 of an inch wide, to ensure they lay nicely. Consistency and length is key for a neat finish. Now it's time to attach the hair to your doll's head. Apply a thin, even line of strong craft glue along the doll's scalp, starting from the back. Carefully press your prepared hair strands onto the glue, working in small sections. Overlap each row slightly to ensure full coverage and prevent any bald spots. Allow each section to dry partially before moving on to the next for the best adhesion. Finally, once all the glue is completely dry, you can trim and style your doll's new hair. Use small scissors to shape the hair, and feel free to experiment with different styles like braids or ponytails using tiny rubber bands or clips. This is where your creativity truly shines. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals. Enjoy your beautifully rehaired doll.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.